Color Wow Style on Steroids Texture Spray doubles as a heat protectant while providing flexible hold and volume to soft, limp strands. Using the Hidden Crown Extra Long Curl Bar, this curling iron is 1.25 inches in diameter and is ceramic coated, which leaves the hair shiny and silky and evenly curled all the way through. As you can see, holding the iron vertically creates more of an elongated beach wave, while holding the iron horizontally creates more of a glam fluffy wave. I like to alternate wave patterns while curling the hair to create volume and more of a disheveled texture, so the hair doesn't settle all the same direction. As you work your way around the head, holding the iron vertically and pulling on the ends will leave the hair elongated and more lived in, while setting the hair and allowing the waves to cool will create more of a glam fluffy wave. As you can see, I'm creating more of an elongated beach wave because I am planning to add extensions for additional length. Holding the iron horizontally at the crown is going to add more volume and texture. Finishing this look using Color Wow Style on Steroids, again for flexible hold as well as volume before installing the extensions. As you can see, Janet was super impressed and absolutely loved the texture of her hair. To really step it up, we decided to add some extensions to step up the glam. These extensions are from Hidden Crown Hair. They are human hair extensions and come in a set of 3. 1 back piece and 2 side pieces. As you can see, I'm doing a little bit of back brushing and clipping in the extensions. Using the Hidden Crown Extra Long Curl Bar to curl these 26-inch extensions really shows how wonderful this long barrel is for those of you with long to medium length hair. As you can see, the blend is gorgeous and the extensions are super dense and full. I'm absolutely obsessed with this look, and so is Janet. What else would you guys like to learn?